Good day. Today we are going to be taking a look into how one could add, delete, or manipulate the extension numbers. First, we'll need to delve into creating a list of extensions. This can either be done manually or could be done automatically by your MAN 3000 software. Let us have a look on how this can be done before creating a manual list of extensions. Let us go to Settings, COM Settings, and finally Advanced Settings. There you will see an auto create list. From the selection, we'll make sure that the extension number box is ticked. This will auto update your list of extensions as we process our calls through the MAN 3000. Now, we'll move on to creating this list ourselves. First, let's move on to the edit options. In there, you'll find a range of editing options. We'll be looking at editing your extension info today. Opening our Edit Extension Info page, you'll notice on your right hand side a list of things one could do. Let us go through those. First, there is a Find option to find an extension number. We understand these lists can sometimes get quite large. For this reason, we have inserted a Find option to assist in finding an extension number in a hurry. Next, we'll be taking a look at the three printing options. Print 123 issues a list of your extensions in a numeric order. Next, the Print ABC options issues a list of your extensions in alphabetical order. And finally, the Print DEP option, as I'm sure you might have guessed, is a list of extensions in department order. Then, there are your Add and Delete options, which will of course add or delete an extension number. Finally, there is an Import option, which allows a user to import an extension list into their MAN 3000. After selecting an Import button, you will notice a window will pop up. You will need to find the extension list file and import it. Do note that the format of the file is as follows: the extension number and then the extension name. Finally, you can close this window and continue using your MAN 3000 software. For more information, please call us on 011 436 8100 or email us on sales@man3000.com.